Welcome to the Auto Pulse Media. Today we take a detailed look at the much-anticipated Kia K4 Hatchback 2026. This latest offering from Kia brings a refreshed take on practicality, technology, and performance in the compact hatchback segment. The K4 Hatchback has been designed to replace the aging Forte 5 with a more modern and aggressive look that resonates with the evolving tastes of younger drivers. The exterior of the Kia K4 Hatchback 2026 stands out with its bold styling, featuring sharp lines and an athletic stance. Kia's new design philosophy is clearly visible with a sleeker front grille, integrated LED headlights, and a slightly coupe-inspired rear that gives it a sporty appeal. The car sits lower and wider than its predecessor, adding to its dynamic proportions. With new alloy wheel options and refined aerodynamics, the K4 is not just visually appealing but also better in terms of efficiency and performance. Under the hood, the K4 Hatchback comes with two engine options to cater to different driving needs. The base model is equipped with a 2.0-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine producing around 147 horsepower, paired with an intelligent variable transmission which ensures a smooth and fuel-efficient ride. For those seeking more spirited driving, there's a 1.6-liter turbocharged engine option offering approximately 190 horsepower mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission. This variant delivers strong acceleration and responsive handling, making it suitable for both urban commutes and open-road driving. Inside the cabin, the 2026 K4 Hatchback continues Kia's reputation for offering more than what you expect in its price range. The interior design is minimalist yet premium, with quality materials used throughout. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a wide digital display setup that merges the instrument cluster and infotainment system into a seamless interface. The system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto along with over-the-air updates to keep software features fresh and up-to-date. A rotary gear selector, ambient lighting, and a new climate control layout enhance the futuristic feel of the cabin. In terms of space, the K4 Hatchback offers ample headroom and legroom in both rows. The rear seats are especially comfortable for a compact hatchback and can be folded flat to expand cargo capacity significantly. Whether it's your daily groceries or luggage for a weekend trip, the hatchback offers practicality without compromising style. Kia has also paid attention to in-cabin quietness, with improved insulation and noise reduction measures making long drives more comfortable. Safety has always been a strong point for Kia, and the K4 is no exception. The 2026 model comes with the latest Kia Drive-Wise safety suite which includes forward collision warning, automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control. These features are available as standard or optional depending on the trim level, giving buyers flexibility to choose as per their needs and budget. The advanced driver assistance features work seamlessly to provide a confident and secure driving experience. The driving experience of the Kia K4 Hatchback is both refined and engaging. The suspension setup strikes a balance between comfort and agility, absorbing road imperfections while still offering crisp cornering abilities. Steering feedback is precise, and the turbocharged model especially provides a more connected and sporty feel. Whether you're navigating tight city streets or cruising on the highway, the K4 feels composed and competent. Fuel efficiency is another highlight of the 2026 K4 Hatchback. The base engine variant is expected to deliver an average of around 33 miles per gallon combined, while the turbo model slightly trails behind due to its increased performance output. Still, both models remain competitive in the segment when it comes to fuel economy. With its combination of bold design, advanced tech features, efficient powertrains, and robust safety systems, the 2026 Kia K4 Hatchback is well positioned to attract a wide range of buyers looking for a stylish yet practical compact car. It represents Kia's continued push toward blending innovation with everyday usability. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video and want more updates on the latest car reviews and tech features, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and support Auto Pulse Media.